If I would be a president for more than 3 hours, I would declare that people must go and build in Orania. Black people must go and build there. And we mix them. They appreciate that hatred can never survive peace. It is peace that builds a nation. But I can't. If I was, I would say, go and build in Orania. Others go over to America and ask for their Makulubas, Trump, to punish us, but they stay here. Now they are told to go there and be refugees. They are refusing. They must go because we are a free country. We are a sovereign country. We are not a province of the United States. And that sovereignty will be defended. That's why we're happy when we see soldiers here. We know that our sovereignty is protected. Yeah? Yeah.